오다 다른 벼다 죽배 치바죠. 어제는 뭐지 빼면 중내 게 아니 니마 쳐버진데 차대요래 대인데 다 다른 대탕 주제네 아니 춘지를 줘도 나다 말한 조보체 조보가 아마 먼저 춘지를 줘고 유수이
The free school. What is that? Look at this hill.
Hola, satang tu di Peace Pagoda la jodi gomba di la ming la Peace Pagoda do. Anta la ko tongpa do cha di do di lam ga me do ka se ko yin. Okay, ta de la kontu shenden chosa ge la ga di dire sha tangbo de la chinji du gi ani chede ngoma de phajol pha do ani chede ngoma de la jel du gi. Welcome. Please enter temple here.
And did you want to be on the Peace Pagoda mailing list?
Not really.
Oh, okay. Just left there, we didn't see her.
다들 신든 조사 나간 거만데 들으셔. 근데 저것도 그런 성화 동야체.
Hi, how you doing? Welcome. Hey, I'm up there now.
You're up here now.
Yeah,
I was looking for you down there.
hey, I know, I heard you. How's it going?
다들 Peace Pagoda 나간 최대 거만데 들으셔. Rebecca.
Are you? Come on.
Checking out the kitchen.
I see.
And then there's a little cabin there. You could come and stay.
Oh yeah.
I think so. You can come and volunteer and like
Hi.
help take care of the plants.
Hello.
Hi.
That's a good idea.
Right? That's a nice idea.
How you
Oh,
doing?
there's another guy. I don't know. I just made it up.
Oh yeah.
I thought this guy worked here look like no.
Yeah, he was working the barn. And then there's
Oh.
another cabin.
No, hi.
You work here?
I volunteer here. Yeah.
Okay, so can I make you some questions?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't take the phone.
Yeah, last time I came here I don't see
Hi.
nobody. Today I see you.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm Tibetan.
Where?
I came last time here also.
We just came from a Tibetan.
Yeah, there's a little
Monastery.
Tibetan monastery up
Yes.
the road, yeah.
Yes.
We walked there this morning.
I see. So normally who live here? Just you guys?
Junsun,
Junsun?
just the nun that built the pagoda. Well,
I see. I never seen her before.
okay.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Ngawang Tarje.
How is it?
Ngawang Tarje.
Nawan Tarji.
Tibetan name.
Okay.
I live in New York City actually.
Good.
So here some people can come stay like day or night just for meditate or
Yeah,
something.
yeah. If you want to, but you have to speak to Jules-san first.
I see.
Right.
I'm certain.
Most people that come, they come and do SAMU, which is work practice,
Okay.
and then we do 5 a.m. morning prayer and 5:30 p.m. morning evening
Evening
prayer.
prayer. I see.
So, which is just chanting, drumming.
Sure. That's
So,
gonna be fun.
Yeah,
Cool.
so you're
Because
welcome.
sometimes we practicing on the Tibetan way,
Mhm.
but they're practicing on the Japanese way,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, really trying to stay, to keep the social distance.
Sure.
All that stuff.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Thank you very much.
So, but yeah, please, and then she said once it's all calmed
Calm
down,
down, yep.
then you can call.
Mhm.
There's there's a number online,
Right.
and you can talk to her, and she can give you some more information.
Sure. Thank you very much. Thank you very
Nice
much.
to meet you.
Okay, nice.
See you later.
I can come visit here and meditate, stay one night, one day.
You can stay in the
Yeah,
royalist
I can-
cabin?
Yeah.
Do you have to pay? Or you probably
I didn't
volunteer?
talk about that.
Oh.
This is online, or I can make a phone call. And right now is corona disease, so they like to public distance.
Oh.
So they're not really interested. People, if they don't know, they will come here.
So if they don't know you, they don't want you here.
Yeah.
So you can.
전주 심주 rum보체 마치판남 찌주르지 찌반냐 바메바이 고네 콘돈 프로바쇼 최대인데 견자가는 야캅도 자리도 두두시도 메도 쳐바 표제 아니 산지겠고 도까마르바게 샹샤 같은 데지도 Om Namo Buddhaya, Om Namo Dharmaya, Om Namo Sanghaya, Om Namo Buddhaya, Om Namo Dharmaya, Om Namo Sanghaya, Om Namo Buddhaya, Om Namo Dharmaya, Om Namo Sanghaya. Antu sene yekor jabne chendugane slumsu shukbe zeba. Ani dela kutampe zeba. 단제바 중이 샤상도 신제도
Right track.
어다 드니 된데 다지레 샤당아 드니마 두기
It became a civilization.
올라서 Hi grandma, you enjoy?
Yes.
So you understand what I say? My English is not really good for teaching. Probably you understand some, right?
Some of it. Yeah.
All right, thank you. So I want to take those video, the beautiful lotus, yellow lotus in pound. This is beautiful temple, Peace Pagoda. Another Peace Pagoda in Ladakh, India, I saw from website, which is very, very beautiful. This is also beautiful. And if you guys want to know about Peace Pagoda, more information, then you can go website. You can see everything there. And here is a pound and then yellow lettuce, which is really beautiful. gomba je chai information di tel rasong ani description al ma changma ka te thutu tu gi ani tigala de khonjo ge lukse la de chu ge so shebe chuja ani de shide ge chonda re se do tel chonda mangbu do ani khonjo ge lene de chonda janggu ji rasong de de ga ni ngone ten de daw ya bu chongson ten de chongson shui ani ta taring ten sami tuji che